Let's review the key topics we need to learn to pass Cisco DevNet Associate Certification exam. There are 6 knowledge domains listed by Cisco to get certified, and we will cover each domain in their respective skills section. So the first one is to understand and using APIs, which is counted for 20% of the exam portion. In this skill, we will learn common usage, constraints, response codes, and authentication mechanisms used for API. Next is infrastructure and automation, where we will discuss about model-driven programmability, capabilities of automation tools, CI/CD pipeline, workflow of Meraki, Cisco DNS Center, and Cisco ACI. Then we'll jump into application deployment and security, where we will describe edge computing, different cloud deployments, Docker images, and issues related to application security. Another one is Cisco platforms and development. In this skill, we will construct Python scripts to automate Cisco network management platforms. Fifth domain in this list is to cover network fundamentals, such as common networking components and their functions. Lastly, we will cover the software development and design skill, where we will compare data formats and how to parse them to Python data structures. Cisco recommends having at least 1 year of experience in developing and maintaining applications built on top of Cisco platforms and some hands-on experience with Python programming language. However, having a basic understanding will help you because you will learn everything in this course anyway. So what are some of the job roles after getting certified with Cisco DevNet Associate? Here's the list, but it doesn't include all supported roles. You can become a junior Cisco developer, junior automation engineer, an SRE, DevOps engineer, and etc. Alright, enough for this one, and let's go over some of the DevNet learning resources provided by Cisco in our next video. I hope you like this video, and I would like to thank you for viewing.